Hello friends, today's topic is TDS on supply of goods and works or contract. Here a clear explanation between both is given. Supply of goods, it refers to the sale of movable items where ownership of goods is transferred to the buyer. No TDS under section 194C. Services under section 194C refers to payments made for carrying out any work or contract like transportation, printing, advertisement or fabrication where TDS is applicable. I tell you in simple terms that if you purchase a biscuit packet from shopkeeper, it is supply of goods, and if you are getting a number plate printed from outside for your vehicle, it is a service. So on service it is applicability of TDS in the income tax, provided there are few conditions, and there is no TDS on supply of goods. Let us see the difference. Nature of transaction, sale of goods, and in TDS 194C, payment for work, contract or service. Then comes aspect. Supply of goods, no TDS. Service 194C, TDS on contract. Income tax, TDS, no TDS applicable. TDS is deducted by a payer, that is who received the service. Applicable section, not covered under TDS provisions. Supply of goods is not covered, and where service, it is covered under section 194C. Example, supply of goods, buying computer, stationery, and service, it is hiring transporter, printer or contractor. In supply of goods, ownership is transferred. In service, no ownership is transferred, only service is given. In supply of goods, there is GST applicability, it may apply as per supply type, and in service it may apply for service contract. Recipient status, in supply of goods, seller receives full payment, and in service, contractor receives net payment. So here TDS provisions are: who deducts TDS? Government departments, companies, firms. When the payment exceeds 30,000 per contract or 1 lakh in a year. TDS rate is 1% if the payee is individual, HUF 2% if the payee is firm, company. It includes that we have already discussed, because it's a business income. Supply of goods is tax free, not for getting any services done. However, tax is not deducted in 194C, whereas it is different in 194.